Which would be the most appropriate title for this passage? A title has to encapsulate the main idea of a passage. With this in mind, let's go through each choice to see which best encapsulates the passage's main idea. A. From Review to Revolution: How Oklahoma Reshaped the Broadway Musical. This matches very well. The passage emphasizes how Oklahoma broke away from revue-style musicals and instead fully integrated music, lyrics, and dance into storytelling. It also highlights the influence the show had on decades of later productions, which makes Reshaped the Broadway Musical a perfect fit. This is likely our answer, but let's take a look at our remaining choices just to be sure. B. Oklahoma, the first collaboration of Rodgers and Hammerstein. While it's true that the show was their first collaboration, the passage focuses less on that fact and more on the broader impact the musical had on Broadway. This is too narrow to capture the main idea of the text, so we can mark this choice off. C. Agnes DeMille and the Birth of the Dream Ballet. The passage does mention Agnes DeMille's choreography, but only as one part of the overall innovation. The focus is not solely on her or the Dream Ballet, so this title is too limited. This choice can be marked off. And D. Winning a Pulitzer: Oklahoma's Record-Breaking Success. While the passage does note both the Pulitzer and the long run, these are presented as results of the show's innovation, not the central point of the passage. This choice emphasizes the show's success rather than the transformation Oklahoma brought to Broadway, so it doesn't capture the full picture. This being the case, this choice can be marked off, and we can mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.